15 needle embroidery machine control operation. First, connect the power supply. Turn on the machine switch. If a power outage occurs during operation, a power off recovery interface will appear upon restarting. You can press the OK button to resume the embroidery position. If not needed, simply exit. Electronic control operation. There is a red emergency stop button on the head. If you need to stop the machine immediately, simply press this red button. To restore normal operation, rotate this red button to the right. Below are 4 physical buttons. The jogging main shaft button. Press to jog the main shaft to 100 degrees. Manual thread trimming button. Perform manual thread trimming operation during both running and preparation status. This is the start button. This is the stop, pause button. The first one is the main menu. It contains an animated logo and a pattern gallery. Software import parameters. Export parameters. User information settings. Network connection. Records of embroidery stitch counts and machine usage time. This is for language selection. Below are the machine setting parameters. Software version. The second is parameter settings. The third is file management. It includes pattern selection. Import from USB drive button. This is for deleting patterns. You can select one or multiple patterns to delete. This is the Delete All Patterns button. This is the Split Pattern operation. And this is the Merge Patterns operation. This enters the USB drive operation menu. You can read patterns from the USB drive. This is for creating custom patterns. They can be saved into the pattern memory. This way, you can see the newly created pattern in the pattern memory. This is for switching the embroidery mode. Is for automatic embroidery. M is for manual embroidery. This is for selecting the embroidery color sequence. This is the manual color changing button. Offset operation key. Set and reset the offset point operation. Return to start point operation. Press OK to return to the origin. This is the return to last stop point button. Origin settings button. This is the embroidery mode toggle key. These two are for fast forward and fast backward by color. These two are buttons for moving the frame forward or backward. You can choose the number of frames to move backward or forward. This single arrow is for slow low-speed movement. The double arrow is for fast high-speed movement. Then release the embroidery pattern. It also contains some parameter information. This is the selection box. Set pattern parameters like angles, flips, etc. This is the center embroidery function. It centers the embroidery within the hoop. Here is the embroidery speed. It can be adjusted using the plus and minus buttons. If this symbol is a single triangle, it increases or decreases by 10 each time. If this button has two triangles, it increases or decreases by 50 each time. Then, this is for manual frame moving. To move up, down, left, and right, pressing this button can switch to find slow movement.